or maize is known as AKPLE in the water part of Ghana, whilst dough is known as Ema. Together we have a Blimor, simply means corn dough. That is what we have in today's episode. Hello, how are you today? I'm fine. What about you? Thank you so much for your time. And without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have my corn or AKPLE. I will soak that in water for 3 days. And before that, I washed it very well. So after 3 days, this is how it looks. And I'm going to strain the water and then wash it very well. Okay. You know that's been in the water for 3 days, so we have to wash it very well. If today is the first time here, hello once again and welcome to my space. Please do not forget to subscribe for new videos. Have you followed my Facebook page? Oh my goodness, you are missing a lot. Please follow at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes and you will love it. So I'll wash the maize very well so that it will not smell. Okay, my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. Please, after watching this video, both the new and old, do not forget to share to others, like, leave your comments, and I will appreciate that. So after that, I will add water to my maize and then blend it. Do not add a lot of water, okay? But if your blender is not good, you can go ahead and add a lot and then blend. Thank you so much for your time once again. I do appreciate it. Please, are you still with me? If yes, do not forget to subscribe. I'm reminding you again. Thank you for doing it because I know you will do it. And please do not forget to check on my previous videos like the AKPLE and then AKPLE. Check it for me because the AKPLE, we will be using it in the upcoming videos that I'll be bringing you. So please, you need to know how I made it. And also, I'll be bringing you more videos about the Blimor, what we are going to use it for. Okay, so please watch it for me very well. Thank you so much and I do appreciate your time. This is the outcome and you can see that it is so perfect, smooth, and also this was easy to make. Thank you and I do appreciate you once again. So I come your way next time, know that I love you. And remember to store this in your airtight container. I will bring you a video where I will share how I preserve my cassava and corn dough for so many months without refrigerating it. I'll bring you that video. Thank you so much for your time today too, and see you in the next one. Remember to trust in the Lord. I love you. Bye.